Almonds are one of the most popular healthy snacks. They contain protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E. But there is one small detail that can make almonds harder for some people to digest. It is the thin brown skin. Today, I will show you a fast kitchen trick that removes the skin in minutes. Then we will talk about what you gain, what you lose, and how to use both parts in a smart way. If you enjoy calm and beginner-friendly nutrition tips, feel free to subscribe. Here at Path of Herbs, we keep things simple, practical, and easy to apply. What exactly is going on with almond skins? The almond skin contains plant compounds that protect the nut. Two of the most discussed are phytic acid and tannins. Phytic acid can bind to certain minerals during digestion. This includes magnesium, calcium, iron, and zinc. For most people eating a varied diet, this is not a major concern, but it can reduce how much of those minerals are absorbed in that moment. Tannins are also found in tea and red wine. They can interact with digestive enzymes and may make digestion feel heavier for some people. If you have ever felt bloated, gassy, or uncomfortable after almonds, the skin may be part of the reason. This can be more noticeable for people with sensitive digestion. So the goal is not fear. The goal is simply comfort and better digestion. This is the fast peeling method. This technique is called blanching. It is quick and does not require overnight soaking. Start with raw almonds, not roasted. Bring a small pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully add the almonds to the boiling water. Boil for 60 seconds. Drain the almonds right away. Then rinse under cold water or place them into ice water. Now pick up one almond. Pinch gently and the nut will slide out of the skin. Repeat until all almonds are peeled. Then pat them dry on a clean towel. So why do some people feel better with peeled almonds? Peeled almonds can feel easier on the stomach because the fibrous skin is removed. This may reduce bloating and digestive stress for sensitive people. The nut itself still contains valuable nutrition. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a well-known antioxidant. They also provide healthy fats and plant protein. Many nutrition labels show about 6 grams of protein per ounce. If your digestion feels better with peeled almonds, this is a simple change that can help you enjoy them more consistently. If this is helpful so far, tap like on this video. It helps the channel, and it tells me you want more simple food upgrades like this. Back to the video. Do not throw away the skins. Now here is the interesting part. Almond skins are also valuable. They contain polyphenols and flavonoids, which are antioxidant compounds. The skins also contain prebiotic fiber. Prebiotic fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria. So we have two useful parts. The peeled almond can be easier to digest for some people. The skin contains concentrated antioxidants and fiber. The simplest approach is to separate them and use each part with intention. Here are a few zero-waste almond skin ideas. Here are 2 simple ways to use almond skins at home. Option 1. Almond skin powder. Let the skins dry fully. Once dry, blend into a fine powder. Store in an airtight jar. Add a small amount to a smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt. This is a gentle way to add prebiotic fiber and polyphenols. Option 2. Crispy savory. Topping. You can also turn almond skins into a crunchy topping. Toss dry skins with a small amount of olive oil and a splash of soy sauce. Add smoked paprika and garlic powder if you enjoy that flavor. Bake until crisp, then cool. This is the full story of almonds and their skins. Blanching gives you peeled almonds that may feel easier to digest. Saving the skins lets you keep the antioxidant and prebiotic benefits without waste. It is a small kitchen habit that can make a big difference in comfort and nutrition. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever felt bloated after eating almonds? And would you try the almond skin powder or the crunchy topping? If you want more calm and practical food upgrades, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.